Alright, woodworkers, so as discussed, that dry glue has been scraped off, what I can get to anyway. There's nothing different or unusual about jointing this curved piece over your jointer. I'm, in essence, always going to leave the guard in place, and my hand placement is never going to be on top of where the blades are. So I'll hold down here, lift my hand up, keeping good pressure on the outfeed table as I walk this thing out following the curve. It's really straightforward, but it feels a little awkward at first. Let me do this, enjoy the machine music. Go one more. So as you can see, this is nice and flat, and we've got good laminations here, which you can start to see where that continuous grain thing is so important. So, you know, even this little sweep right here, you can start to see where the continuity of this one single board, keeping them in order, is so critical. All right, enough of that. I'll show you how to do the next edge here in the next video.